What is an interjection in English language? Welcome back to the channel. We're going to learn about a fun and expressive part of speech that is an interjections. Definition of an interjection. An interjection is a word or phrase that expresses a sudden emotion or reaction. Explanation of an interjection. It can show surprise, joy, sadness, anger, or excitement. And guess what? It usually stands alone or comes at the asterisk beginning of a sentence. Let's look at some useful examples and understand their meaning. Wow, this place is beautiful. The word wow expresses surprise or admiration. You say this when something impresses or amazes you. Oh no, I missed the bus. Oh no, is used to show shock or disappointment. It expresses a reaction to a bad or unexpected situation. Yay, we won the match. Yay, shows happiness or excitement. You might shout this when you're celebrating something. Oops, I made a mistake. Oops is a light way to react when you make a small mistake or accident, like dropping something. Alas, he lost the game. Alas expresses sadness or regret, usually in a formal or emotional tone. Here is a tip for you. Interjections are often followed by an exclamation mark to show strong feeling. Conclusion. So, interjections help us express our feeling quickly and clearly. They may be small words, but they add big emotion. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy grammar lessons. See you in the next video.